Say good morning to the glorious sun of Tajikistan from the roof of the world, and gaze around from the high altitude. Embrace incredible scenery, and take a journey around the most magical place on earth. Explore and make friends with the people who live in the ancient capital city. Named after a day of the week, lose yourself in the picturesque parks and quaint streets of Dushanbe. Feel the pulse of the ancient Silk Road and visit one of Central Asia's most beautiful markets. Meet the people keeping tradition alive. Come to a local workshop to choose something beautiful and unique, just like the unspoiled nature of Tajikistan. Drive along the Pamir Highway, one of the world's highest highways, and step into an unbelievable outdoors, where the wild is free and freedom is in the air. Visit the world's highest dam, stretching across 43 miles and generating all the country's energy. Approach the longest glacier outside the polar region, making Tajikistan a reservoir of clean drinking water and helping to develop sustainable agriculture in the high altitude. Make this journey truly special. Visit inspirational places. Feel music all around you at one of many fascinating open-air concerts, which bring together the nation's best musicians. Explore the remains of an ancient civilization, alive with modern-day passion. Be our guest. Let us welcome you into our home. Tajikistan, with love from altitude.